Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, kamusta ang mga Earth signs natin dyan today? No? So, tignan natin anong meron sa career nyo. And of course, tignan rin natin anong pwedeng mga relaxing mode for you this week. No? So, pwede nyong gawin stress reliever for you, Earth sign. And last is kuha tayo ng mga possible lucky numbers or color for you for this week also. No? So let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Earth sign, para sa iyong career. No? Tignan natin anong meron sa career ng mga Earth signs natin. No? So let's see anong meron. So you have this. You are smart, no? So, sinasabi dito, earth sign, no? You are smart. So, siguro ay maganda ang nagiging result nyo sa inyong job, no? Sa inyong business, no? Because maano kayo, ang inyong mind is full of creativity, no? For some of you, marami kayong ideas, no? So, naa-apply nyo to sa inyong career, no? Job man or business. And then, no, so you have this spell work backfired, you are safe, no. For some of you, literally hindi ko nakikitang spell work, no. So ang nakikita ko rito is beware for the people around you, no, people around your workplace, your business, no, competitors ng iyong business na sinisiraan ka, no, something like that, no. So earth sign, no, so nararamdaman mo na rin naman siguro ito for some of you na may naninira sa inyo. But then, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil hindi yun makakaapekto sa inyo, no? Kasi maganda yung nagiging takbo ng karir nyo dahil marami kayong ginagawang mga bagong pasabog sa inyong trabaho, bagong pasabog sa inyong business, no? So, maraming naiinggit sa paligid nyo, earth sign, no? So, wag nyo na lang silang pansinin, no? Whoever those people, no? So, focus lang kayo sa inyong goal, no, sa inyong career, no. So mas marami pang magandang mangyayari sa iyong career, no. Just focus lang, earth sign, no. So yeah. And of course, kuha tayo ng possible numbers, no, lucky numbers or color for you within this week, no. So 6 cards, no, kuha tayo for you, earth sign, no. 6 cards, please. Please for the earth signs natin, no? Kuha tayo ng 6 card. Meron ng isang tumalon. So, kuha pa tayo. 5 more cards. So, 4 more cards na lang. So, 3 cards na lang po, no? So, yeah. 2 more cards, please. For the earth signs, please, universe, no? So, tignan pa natin. 2 cards pa. Please, para sa ating, meron na, no? So, ayan na. So, medyo parang kala mo nagmamadali tayo kasi aalis pa kami, no? So, yeah. So, ano tong mga na, may color kayo dito, no? Mga earth sign, no? So, tignan natin tong mga possible lucky numbers for you this week, mga earth sign, I mean. So, you have this 29, number 6, 37, 27, 23, and you have color silver, no? So, yeah, no? So, for some of you, no, mga ayas, no, for you, earth sign, no, you have these numbers for this week, no? So, kung ano man to, makita nyo man ito mga number na ito this week ay may good news kayong marireceive, no, mga earth sign, no? Whatever man na may hinihintay kayong mga result is positive ang magiging outcome nito, no, for some of you kapag may nakita kayong ganito mga numbers. And of course, you have this lucky color for this week, silver, no. So maybe pwede kayo kung magsuot kayo ng mga silver na mga accessories, no, something like that, no. So you can wear that every day within this week, no. So you can attract positive energy, no, positive results din, no. So yeah, no, that's for you, no, mga earth sign, no. So yeah, ito talaga, no? So, so kayo na lang bahala, no? So, again, no? These are your lucky numbers, no? Pwede nyo siyang rumble-rumblein, no? Pwede nyo itaya kung tumataya man kayo, kung saan man, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, mga earth sign, no? So, God bless you all and thank you for watching Earth Signs.